Patterns in nature are visible irregularities of form found in the natural world. These patterns recur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. Natural patterns include symmetries, trees, spirals, meanders, waves, foams, tessellations, cracks, and stripes.
Fibonacci sequence are nature's numbering system. Fibonacci sequence characterized by the fact that the next number is found by adding up to the two numbers immediately preceding. So, how it is called a nature's numbering system? Let's take this as an example. Trees. Trees show a Fibonacci numbers in the growth of their branches. It started from 1 and become 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on.
Can you find me? What are you seeing right now? These trees have a unique pattern on their trunks, known as stripes and spots, that allow them to camouflage, to hide from predators, and as a means of identification against other trees. I chose to highlight this type of pattern to let people see that not just animals, but also plants can hide from plain sight.
The golden ratio. Golden ratio is a special number approximately equal to 1.618. This ratio is number that shows up all over the human body, from the length of the arms and legs compared to the torso, and it seems to define what proportions look best that is most attractive. We can find the golden ratio when we divide a line into two parts. For example is the human leg. We divide it into two parts so that the long part is divided by the short part is also equal to the whole length divided by the long part.
In mathematics, an object or shape is symmetrical when it remains unchanged after we rotate, flip, or scale it, and when it allows being divided into parts of equal shape and size. Here's an example that is easily found in nature. Palm trees. Palm tree leaves are known for its symmetrical sequence of leaves, just like the human ribs. Pretend that its branches will be the sternum and its leaves as the ribs, wherein the left leaflets is aligned equally with the right leaflets, like how our ribs align across each other.
A tessellation or tiling is the covering of a surface, often a plane, using one or more geometric shapes, called tiles, with no overlaps and no gaps. It is created when a shape is repeated over and over again, covering a plane without any gaps or overlaps. So, an example of a tessellation is the pattern found in a human's hand or skin. Since the shape is repeated over and over again, covering a surface without any gaps or overlaps.